gore makula ba thunte ngwana ba mo bolaile no ene ngwana ona se le mo shopong no sena next ntho a dirile hona jwale tse maponesa ba tla protecta these people bana le dithunya ba thunte ngwana se le ka shopo re dutse ka bothata bo serious ngwana motho hlokaetse hona jwale tjena mo ba batla wa arresta rona so re boemo bono ke re solve taba ngwana shwele e makula molaile.
Hello guys, welcome to Amazon TV. I hope you are okay. Guys, those who doesn't understand, about my friend, foreign guys who are owning tuck shops, they unalived another child in Northwest. They shot that child. The information I got is that the child was just standing there, close to their shop. They just shot that child. So the community came out to find out, why are you unaliving this child? Then the community called the police to come and arrest these perpetrators. Then when police arrived, they started to fight with the community. They attempted to arrest the same community that called them to come and arrest the perpetrators. That is what is being said in this clip.
Asikho futhi isidingo sokuthi uZulu ude uhlukunyezwa ngoba lokho kuzongiphoqa maZulu kuzongiphoqa abahlonishwa futhi umhlaba ungangivumela mase ngihlomisa manje ngiyanithembisa ukuthi ngeke ngivumele umuntu ukuba thathe umphefumulo kaZulu. Ngexwayisa umnumzane uRamaphosa ngokuthi njengeqembu lokubusayo bangalenzi iphutha lokwemuka uZulu umhlaba ngoba kuyawukusha izikhoda.
I know guys, you will ask yourself why I matched these clips together or why I mixed this clip together. I miss this man. Let me first interpret for those who doesn't understand what is the king saying here. What the king was saying here is that I will not allow anyone to take a life of any Zulu person. I know some of you guys, you will ask yourself, why was he protecting only Zulus or why was he speaking about only Zulus? He was a king of Zulu nation. He was speaking in Zululand. There was a time the government was attempting to take a land from KZN by force. So that's what he was addressing here. But the reason why I brought back this clip is because of what is happening right now. This king was very different from his son, Umisu Zulu. He was even called xenophobic because he was fighting for the people of KwaZulu-Natal. He was fighting for the people of South Africa, telling us he will not allow anyone to come and bully us, to come and take over the country, South Africa. This is what he was known for, fighting for the Zulu nation, fighting for South Africa. And this king was telling our leaders in Africa face to face, I will not allow you to come to South Africa to bully us. So that is why I wish he was here in this situation we are facing right now. Because I know ukuthi ubezothi ihlasele, ubezoyiphaka nje. And ubebatshela ukuthi you are the government, we respect you, but stay away from izinto ezithinta amaZulu. And even in this clip, he was telling Amabutho on a national TV, I warned uRamaphosa. He was not afraid to tell the government, we respect you, don't interfere with Amazulu. Don't interfere with things of Amazulu. That is why I miss this man so much, especially during this time.
Look, he has no papers. They show you papers. They say to us, no, I'm studying. All their papers are the same, by the way. They say they are studying. All of them are studying. You are asking him a simple question. Which institution? Where are your books? Where are you going to class? What? Any of the policemen ask these people, where is your class from? When are you going to class? Or is your class the very same show? Are you studying sunlight liquid? Are you studying Omo? Are you studying to sell stock sweets? It's a challenge we need to deal with. We can't have a lawlessness country. Even myself, I respect the laws of this. I'm even afraid to jump a stop sign. Then someone can just come here and fraud the papers. It's so painful, and I'm apologizing to the residents that we didn't inform me that we are here today, but it's a good operation because it is yielding the results. People must know that the executive man is on the ground and we are working. I thank you very much.
We can blame the government in all the days of our lives, but singakhohlwa ukuthi nathi guys we are wrong. Nathi as South Africans we are very wrong. These people ngabe sebehambile, if we were not harboring them in our own homes, we were not supporting their businesses. Sometimes uzuyibuza ukuthi yonke into right nangathi. You as a South African, you can never leave South Africa, go to Ethiopia, open a tuck shop, open a barber shop, then Ethiopians will come and support you. They will never even give you a space to run that tuck shop, let alone to come and support you, let alone to leave their brothers to come and support you. But you leave your fellow South African who is running a tuck shop to go and support Ethiopians. Why are we behaving like that? Why singafuna ukubona omunye umuntu wakithi eyaphambili? We even prefer to support people from outside than to support each other. We are not different from this government.
On memela biso message pas président de la République. Oye na Mada City, Mboka Mandela, Mboka oyo ya kitoko. Mboka oyo eza ya yo. Deka lobaki epese melio anytime oza na besoin de visite ko koya. Yango wana. Ingata. En Afrique. O ezali eloko oyo bombango makasi akati ya ndako na yo. Eza symbole oyo eza kolakisa ke oza na kati ya Afrique. Omone esika ozali awa suka na Cape Town place toza. Yo yango oyo lisusu yambango na moto. Voilà. Tosepeli na ndenge ondore biso. Boke tambola wa bungu. Merci beaucoup pour la Kini Inbox. Merci beaucoup na Moleka. Merci na staff Lio surtout. Et puis merci Ebele pour na. Voilà.
There is nothing to translate on the last clip, guys, because they are speaking their language, but the video is translating itself for us. It's very clear what is happening there. So there's no need to crack heads to ask yourself what is going on here, because it's very clear. These are rituals of binding South Africa together with them forever. As you can see, they are pointing out South Africa on that map, but that is a map of Africa. South Africa is in trouble. So guys, let me know what you think on the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, to like and share the video. Love you guys. Bye.